Baby Sana JAC Bandh hits live in Manipur, no untoward incidents so far. Jiribam rues pathetic condition of lone hospital. And Manipur's Wahengbam Devananda to witness historic landing of Chandrayaan-2. Hello and good afternoon. You're watching News Today at 1 p.m. Now the news in details. The 48-hour statewide bandh called by Joint Action Committee against the death of Baby Sana has paralyzed normal life in Manipur. Shops, markets, educational institutions, both government and private establishments remained closed. Imphal City wore a deserted look with vehicles off the road. Both inter-district and interstate passenger services were suspended. Security has been tightened at crucial points to thwart unwanted incidents during the strike, which began at 6 a.m. No untoward incidents were reported. The JAC demands that all culprits be nabbed and punished and that the Baby Sana case be handed over to the Central Bureau of Investigation. Meanwhile, Superintendent of Police Imphal West K. Megachandra has appealed to the people not to support the Manipur-wide bandh imposed by the Baby Sana JAC. The SP warned of legal action against strike supporters. During a press meet in his chamber yesterday, SP Megachandra had said the investigation into Baby Sana's death was progressing with transparency. He also said, unlike other cases, Baby Sana's case is unique and as it is open to everyone and everyone can approach the police to share their ideas pertaining to the case. The lone 50-bedded hospital at Ningsingkhun of Jiribam district has remained ignored. The vice president of All Jiribam United Club Association, Mutum Premchandra, alleged that the government as well as the concerned authority have neglected the hospital. The hospital was found in a pathetic condition during an inspection visit by an Ajuka team. Mutum Premchandra said most of the staff members do not maintain punctuality. He expressed concern over the X-ray and ultrasound machine being remained non-functional. People of Jiribam also say that doctors and nurses do not come to the hospital. They urged that the government should look into the matter. Just a week is left for the Chandrayaan-2's landing on the south pole of the moon. Chandrayaan-2 completed its final maneuver and achieved an orbit of 119 km into 127 km yesterday. Chandrayaan-2 landing on the surface of the moon is getting close day by day, and 60 students are selected from all across India who will all witness the historic landing with Prime Minister Narendra Modi on September 7. ISRO conducted a space quiz for students from the 8th to the 10th standard. Wahengbam Devananda, a 9th standard student of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Yaralpat, Imphal East, has been shortlisted among the 60 students that will get the chance to witness the landing of Chandrayaan-2 with Prime Minister Narendra Modi on September 7. Children with the greatest number of correct answers in 10 minutes emerged the winner. The Chandrayaan-2 is scheduled to land on September 7. Students from Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Meghalaya, Jharkhand, Odisha, etc. are chosen on the basis of the ISRO quiz. We are heading to a short break, but coming up, funds for construction of 12,000 public toilets in Jiribam's Borobekra found misused. More after the break.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng ma mahong. Yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana Kangla gi no food item singi mahok khangla bada ngauroi do kana ulai bi.
Kangla Manipur gi ahan ba 24/7 cab service oiriba lamjingba cab na ahan ba oina miyam gi damakta monsoon offer ama pijari. Pijari ba offer adudi 5% discount on any trip or any package. Akupamorol gi damak contact tobiu Lamjingba Cab, Nagamapal Rims Road, Lamjingba Group Building, opposite to Lamjingba Nidhi Limited Imphal. Aikogi phone number 1800-1027-959 natraga 8794613154.
Welcome back. Residents of Jakuradhor Gram Panchayat and Borobikra Gram Panchayat of Jiribam district have drawn the attention of Chief Minister Ann Biren over the alleged misuse of funds provided under Swachh Bharat mission to build 12,000 public toilets. During inspection by a team of journalists, it came to light that only a small number of toilets were found constructed with bamboo and tins. The people of Jakuradhor and Borobikra Gram Panchayat, which is located about 45 kilometers from Jiribam town, have criticized the act of the concerned authority. These toilets are built by Public Health Engineering Department under SBM. Speaking about the matter, the Pradhan and ward member of the Gram Panchayat said that they do not have detailed information regarding construction of toilets under SBM. Assam Rifles continues to seize electronic items brought from different foreign countries through Myanmar to Moreh and Imphal. During routine checking, 12 Assam Rifles seized 90 walkie-talkie sets brought from Myanmar at the Kudengthabi checkpost yesterday around 4 p.m. The products are estimated to be worth around Rs 1,60,000. The seized items have been handed over to the Customs Preventive Force. The Imphal Municipal Employees Union donated Rs 1 lakh to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. The amount was handed over by the representatives of the union to Chief Minister Ann Biren at the Chief Minister's Secretariat yesterday. Chief Minister Biren expressed his profound gratitude to the Imphal Union for their generosity. The Kanglei Inat Yokhatpalub KEYL Nambol observed its 47th Foundation Day at Miyam Gishanglen at Nambol Bazaar yesterday. President of SK Women College Governing Body, Ningthojam Ibomcha, President of KEYL Nonthombam Govardhan Mangang, retired IPS Ningthojam Mani Mohan Singh, Manager of SBI Nambol Branch, Soibam Ramesh were the main guests of the function. The program started playing Pena. Floral tributes were also paid to the departed souls of the organization. As part of the celebration, journalists of different media houses of the state were honored by presenting simple shawls. Altogether, 35 selected elderly persons from Nambol, Konthojam, Nauria, Pakanlakpa, Oinam, Wangoi constituency. 5 were given all-age pension scheme 2019 cards for their contribution in promoting and preserving the culture of Manipur.
Kumja mayam ama kang dana ngasi phawda sum thorom che tawna lai haiba nongwa pan ba chera wada thorom inat laining asi ki mari leina ba kanglai pa asi da lai ba thorom inat ki oi ba thorom sing ai ko ngasi phawda matang phanna kun pa tok dana lak che.
Another break now. Do stay tuned to Times of Manipur for more updates from the state and across the country.
Smart Universal Academy bu August ki tang tara Nepal da Hotel Taj West and Bengaluru da Blind Wing ki India na sinba India Education Award 2019 ye tokpagi thorum da Best Digital School with CSR Initiative in Manipur 2019 haiba award amadi tang kungani thoi da Delhi ki Tajman Hotel da Integrated Ichivers na sinduna pangtokhiba 10th National Education and Business Summit 2019 da school asiki President Dr. Naringum Samarjit Singh da National Education Excellence Award 2019 pirakoda ngakoi leitna nungai ba phongdokchari
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari adom gi leijariba sana da yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanghanba ngamlagani lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobi ho adom gi sana adu sengi natraga sengde haibagi chingnaba du kokhanbiyo akupa marol gi damak lamjingba jewelry da lengsin birau
Lamjingba Jewelry, good quality is our priority.
Welcome back after the break. Names of 1,414 indigenous families, which comprise Koch Rajbonsi, Garo, Dimasa, Dalo and Bengali of Darapathar village of Longding constituency under Assam's Hojai district did not appear in the final National Register of Citizens. These families came to Assam on the call of Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru from East Pakistan in the year 1964 as they were tortured in the name of religion there. Till days after the doctor of a tea estate in Assam, Deben Dutta, was beaten to death by a mob of 250 people in an Assam tea estate in Tiok, 21 people have been arrested. The Indian Medical Association has called a strike, including withdrawal of emergency services on Tuesday. Deben Dutta, a 73-year-old doctor from Assam, died after an enraged mob of tea garden workers brutally trashed him and damaged the property of a hospital in Tiok, Jorhat. The incident took place following the death of a 37-year-old female tea garden worker, Samara Machi, who was undergoing treatment at the hospital. According to reports, he was beaten because he was not present when a temporary worker died at the estate hospital. According to reports, the 73-year-old doctor was flogged inhumanely and the workers also damaged the hospital property in rage. The workers alleged that the incident was a result of the doctor's negligent attitude towards their co-worker, whose death they feel could have been averted. He was critically injured and referred to the Jorhat Medical College and Hospital, where he succumbed to the injuries. Saikom Rohit and Anish Saikom, who won a gold and bronze medals at the MK Classic Open International Taekwondo Championship 2019 held at New Delhi from August 23 to 29, were felicitated. Saikom Rohit, son of Saikom Sanamacha from Kangabok Kulakpam Lekai, won gold in the 51 kg category of the championship, while Anish Saikom, son of Saikom Kunja Bihari, won bronze in the 58 kg category. The players were warmly welcomed by Social Welfare Club, Kangabok and their families. The players were presented with simple gifts on the occasion. A two-day-long 24th State-Level Yoga Physics Championship 2019 will be held on September 12 and 13 at Manipur Dramatic Union. Yoga lovers and interested individuals can take part in the championship. Candidates can avail further details from the Yoga Physics Institute and Studies, Manipur, located at Uripok Yambem Lekai, Imphal, the institute said. Before we wrap up the bulletin, here is the headlines once again. Baby Sana JAC Band hits live in Manipur, no untoward incidents so far. Jiribam Ru's pathetic condition of lone hospital. And Manipur's Wahengbam Devananda to witness historic landing of Chandrayaan-2. That's all for the news today. Thank you for watching.